Welcome to OnlineExamMaker. This quick start guide will show you how to create a successful exam in only 4 steps. OnlineExamMaker allows users to create interactive quizzes, assessments, and surveys. Go to OnlineExamMaker.com, then sign in your account. You will see a navigation bar on the left of the dashboard. You can manage exams, training courses, questions, and students in one place. Step 1. Add questions. OnlineExamMaker offers 3 methods to add questions. Method A. Bulk import questions. In OnlineExamMaker, you can upload or import your currently made questions in an Excel or Word document to the question bank. In Method A, you need to prepare questions in a document first. There are 2 ways to import questions in bulk. You can copy and paste questions to bulk import questions. You can also select the document of your pre-made questions to upload. When the upload process is complete, you can preview the questions in the question bank. Method B. Create a question from scratch in OnlineExamMaker Question Editor. In the question editor, you can select a question type, edit question title and answer options, assign score easily. Method C. Create questions with OnlineExamMaker AI Question Generator. Open AI Question Generator. You can upload a document or enter question description about your topic. Select a question type and set question quantity, then our AI tool will automatically generate questions in seconds. Step 2. Customized exam settings. Hover on Exams and select All Exams in the sidebar. You can press the New Exam button to create your online exam. Upon clicking the New Exam button, you can now edit the exam title and select an exam category, then press Save and Next to continue. Now you can put your created questions in the exam. To insert the questions, just click the Add Questions button. From there, you can select the category folder and questions to be used in the exam. Click the Save and Next button, then from there, you will now be able to customize the settings of the exam. You can select any settings from the section to add to your exam. When you are satisfied with the exam settings, click the Preview button, then you will go to a pop-up window where you can preview your exam. You can check your exam in preview mode and ensure everything is right. Step 3. Publish and share. Click Publish button to publish your exam. After your exam is published, you will see a pop-up window, then a link and a QR code would be given. You can share the exam link to social, or notify students via email or short message service. Step 4. Analyze results. After candidates completed the test, OnlineExamMaker will calculate the exam score and generate insightful reports automatically. Head to Exams and click All Exams in the sidebar. You will see the exam taken number in the top right corner of the exam table. After clicking the number, you can view the exam taken records of candidates. You can view statistical exam reports by clicking Statistics. In this section, you can view detailed reports about your exam in different aspects, including scores, questions, pass rates, form information, and more.